We are trying to understand how the blood vessels in cancer modify the immune response against the cancer. So personal motivations have been since the beginning to better understand this complex set of diseases that is cancer. We study different cancers in the lab within the framework of this particular support by the Associação Laço. We are studying breast cancer. The reason I entered this field of research was really to try and understand a little bit better how cancer appears, to try and find strategies to fight its development and the way it interacts with the host. And so that scientifically has been my goal since the beginning. Personally, to try and improve all the time. We have people that recently started their PhDs, their masters, and what happens is every time a new person starts, you renew your interests and your enthusiasm. Our approach in cancer research has been to study cancer as a disease of its host, meaning the cancer as it develops interacts with the host in different ways. We started years ago to study how blood vessels arise and are formed in tumors, and now we study more the interaction between the immune system cells and the cancer cells in different settings. We study cancer as a metastatic disease, so the way cancer spreads to other parts of the body. So really we are trying to understand how a single cell entity in a given organ can interact with its host and modify host properties. And we try to find strategies to block the different sets of interactions with the host. My challenge is really to contribute towards improving our understanding of how this particular set of diseases appears and develops. The support by the so-called private foundations is essential. In Portugal, unfortunately, we still don't have a lot of tradition in supporting biomedical research by private entities such as Laço. So their support is absolutely essential. In terms of the challenges in breast cancer research, breast cancer is extremely common. Recent statistics will say 5 out of 10 women in Portugal will develop breast cancer in the next generation. So there is a clear clinical need to understand a little bit better of what can be done to first prevent and then to treat these cancers. So I think that this sort of initiative by Laço is absolutely essential.